Now we're going to level Claude up by installing two skills. Out of the box, Claude is a general-purpose AI. It knows a lot about a lot of things, but its default design output is just okay. It tends to reach for the same fonts, the same colors, and the same predictable layouts you've seen on every other AI-generated website. This is why a lot of AI websites end up looking generic. Skills fix that. A skill is like an instruction manual for Claude, a text file that levels up Claude's knowledge in one specific area. You install it once, and Claude uses it forever. We're installing two skills today, and both of them are free. The first skill we're installing is called Front-End Design. It's built by Anthropic, the company behind Claude. It runs in the background, and it quietly makes Claude smarter at design. What it actually does is ban the most overused fonts on the internet and push Claude toward bold design direction instead of generic AI output. To install it, grab the front-end design link from the description below and paste it into Claude Code with the message, "Install this skill." Then, send the message and let it run. Allow the edits when it asks, and install it globally. The second skill is community built. It's called UI UX Pro Max. As you can see on screen, it ships with 57 UI styles, 95 color palettes, and 56 font pairings. Unlike the first skill, this one we call directly when we want a big design intervention. And that's exactly how we're going to build our site today. To install it, grab the UI UX Pro Max link from the description below and paste it into Claude Code with the message, "Install this plugin using npm." That exact phrasing matters because it's what gets it to install cleanly using the terminal. Allow the edits when it asks, and install it globally.